Hi, I'm Mrs. Booth, and I'm your 8th grade language arts teacher. If you were here before and you don't recognize me because you're looking for this lady, I'm the same one. I'm just letting all my white hairs grow, so I cut it short and lightened it. Can't wait to see you. The school looks a little bit different too. Look at these classrooms with all these desks spread out. Lots of weird stuff happening, but guess what? We are still going to have fun. I refuse to let this virus rob us of the joy of all of our learning together. We're still going to collaborate and do interactive activities, and I cannot wait to meet you and get a chance to get started.